Is your Windows PC showing the Ethernet icon instead of Wi-Fi? Learn how to fix it. At first, hold the Windows plus R keys together to open the Run panel. Next, put this in the code and click OK. ncpa.cpl. Inside the network connection settings, you may find all the adapters you have on your computer. Look whether you can find the Wi-Fi adapter and the Ethernet adapter. Now, right-tap the Ethernet adapter and tap Disable to disable the adapter. Look whether you can find any other Ethernet adapters here. Disable those Ethernet adapters one by one, but do not disable the Wi-Fi adapter. On the top bottom corner, tap the network icon box on the taskbar. Then, hit the Y icon to access the taskbar corner overflow. Make sure to pin the Wi-Fi icon in the elevated pane. Finally, click Done to save the changes. Go to the Windows settings. So, go to the Network and Internet settings. As you go to the right-hand pane, scroll down and see Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down to the bottom part and tap Network Reset Settings to access that. You will see the Reset Now option there, so use that once. Again, tap Reset to confirm the network resetting operation. Start to write Troubleshoot Settings into the search box. Next, choose the Troubleshoot settings to access that. Head on to Other Troubleshooters. Find the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Run this particular troubleshooter to do that. Quickly, right-click the Start button and tap Task Manager to open that. Next, locate the File Explorer and select that. Finally, right-tap that and use the Restart option to reboot the File Explorer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.